Hello and welcome to our Minecraft story featuring Gage and Uncle Steve. How you doing, Gage?
Good.
Good. I'm doing great. Last week we started doing our little survival mode here and using EasyVid, and I kind of messed up and lost it, and the video kind of looks like this. I apologize if I lazily did not edit the this in, but it's very dark in short respects. So last week, me and Gage kind of started this little inner house thing. We have a farm outside with chickens, but we're playing pretty terribly. I haven't played Minecraft until probably the Xbox release. Gage is 6 years old and he's been playing for a few months now, but not on a PC, so PC is pretty new to him. And I have played the PC version before, but it's been such a long time. Most of the stuff that I've been reading is very, very different. Oh, and there's lava. Speaking of the worry of lava, we have some lava here. Let's cover it up. Maybe we'll stop it. Yep, there it goes. Bye-bye, lava. Bye-bye. See? I still remember the chef. Anywho, what I wanted to do in this episode is go hunting for animals, and so we have a good source of food. Last week we did set up a bit of a garden next to the ocean, but it doesn't seem to be working. There's all our chickens, quite a bit of chickens. You got any seeds, Gage?
No idea.
No idea? You have none? Check the boxes for me.
Hang on,
Yep, as you can see, there's a creeper by our garden, and it's still not growing. I know why this isn't growing. We need to get some type of water next to it. I remember that.
We do not have any, okay?
We don't have any seeds?
Nope.
Nope. So we're going to have to get some seeds so we can mate these chickens so we can eat the chickens.
You want me to make you a weapon?
I do have a sword. You have a sword also. I have some candlesticks, and honestly, all I need to do is get some seeds. So we're gonna start punching some weeds out here.
Want me to help?
Some little Christmas trees. Yep, there's one seed. Nice.
Good job. I turned these
Two
down.
seeds.
Yeah.
3 seeds.
How can it die?
Uh-oh, you're starving?
Yeah.
Well, at least you don't die all the way. So just make sure you don't fall from too far and you won't die. Gage is sitting at half a heart right now. He's starved, and he's hungry. I just picked up an egg. Let's make an omelet.
I need an omelet.
Are omelets in the game yet?
I have no idea. If I can make one,
Yeah.
need one.
I don't know. I did download a nice, handy, craft guide onto my phone, but I do not see omelet, so I do not think omelets are in the game.
I'm hungry. There's that.
So we're collecting a whole bunch of seeds still.
I afraid I'm gonna die.
You're afraid you're gonna die?
Yeah.
Don't worry. If you die, I'll pick up your stuff and give it back. So we're in the beginning here. It's just me and Gage. We're not playing online. Just doing old-fashioned LAN. He's actually sitting right next to me, playing away. Going through the inventory. But it seems like I'm striking out on all the seeds over here. Oh, there's one.
When I die, I'll try to help you, okay?
Yeah, if you die, definitely try to help me. Then you could be my protector. Oh, there's a sheep. How do you get sheep? Isn't that hay or something?
You need
Wheat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have any of that because our garden is still...
Not working.
So, I always see these old trees. I never knew what those were. They don't seem to give you anything, so I think they're just there for show. But I'll kill it anyway. It's in my way. One thing I do like about getting rid of weeds and looking for seeds is it makes your little house area nice. I don't think you noticed, but I started trying to flatten it out, clearing out the trees. So we're on the top of this little hill, looking around.
Do you think that kill me?
No, you're fine. You'll live. I got 10 seeds on me. I'm gonna start feeding some chickens here. You know, we're gonna make some baby chicks. Yeah, chicken, 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 chicken. Nom nom nom, chicken, chicken, chicken.
I got 80. Here you go.
Yeah. Well, I don't think you could die if you're in there. What's gonna attack you? Eat the seed. He won't take it. Look, I can swing it at him, but he just won't take it.
Blow in. Maybe you can't eat.
I think I got all these guys. There's one. I don't think I had 10 to actually give to, so we'll just hold on to the rest of these seeds.
Yay!
Look at that. As you can see, Gage plays as my character's name, and I use my fiance Elizabeth's character, so that's why I look like a girl, and he looks like awesome #1 from Star Trek Generations. Shake it, baby. I do look like a girl. No. Oh, no! I forgot. I should probably not hold these when we're standing so close to the chicken nest.
Get in. No!
Follow me back, chickens.
Get.
No! Here we go. Oh, God! It's already happening. This is terrible.
Daddy, just spawn and kill me.
Well, just kill those chickens and eat them. We'll go kill them and cook them. That's insubordination.
I need to get cooking.
So kill them. I got some coal downstairs already, so we'll cook them, we'll eat them, and that's what they get for not following the rules. Is that all of them? No, I think that's a sheep up there. Do sheep give you any food yet? I don't think they did back in the day.
Hey, want me to cook you some?
Yep, start cooking. Yeah, honestly, I could use just one piece of food, and I'll start getting my health back, right?
Then come on down here.
Just shut that door. It scares me.
Here you go.
So I'm gonna stick this chicken on.
Working on that.
Oh, nice. Nom nom nom. I'm gonna eat this. Actually, I'm gonna wait a second. Did you get food?
I ate.
There's another piece down here. You wanna fill up?
That's a piece.
There you go.
Thank you.
Do we have candles? Maybe we want to drop some items in this box first.
I am.
Get rid of this stuff. And then I think we should go on an adventure to try to find stuff. Just like walk around. I want to find more animals, but I don't think we have anything to get more animals with. Okay.
I just kind of stay down here so I can get some more food. I can't die.
You're gonna die? You're fine. Let's, if we just leave 2 chickens, we'll be fine. So just, let's kill these chickens and only leave 2 of them. Right?
Okay.
There's one! There's an escapee! Get him!
I need one. I need the chick.
Well, we'll throw these in here. See, because if you throw the egg Gage,
Yep.
sometimes they spawn chicken. Not that time. So let's go in and kill the adults, and we'll leave the babies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's take the adults out, but you leave the children, and we'll make some food so we could go on an adventure.
I got 3 chickens.
Yeah. Get him. Oh, that one was being a meanie. That was the guy that refused to eat for me, so
I killed him.
yeah, he deserved to go. You know, he had to go. He was gonna start a revolt, and all the other chickens were gonna fight against us.
Yeah.
So you have to make an example out of him. I know it seems harsh, but stuff happens.
I can just cooking.
Yep. Let's get cooking. Let's cook those chickens. Making a chicken all day long. I'm gonna make another stove so we can just speed up the process a bit. So got some cobblestone. Gonna drop some cobblestone. Maybe we'll make a bunch of them. Yeah, we'll make like 2 or 3. So 4, 5. Oh, I'm misclicking all over the place. So yes, we'll make.
I am full. Please, my hunger.
Oops.
You want me to bring some just in case?
Yes. We'll wait for it all to cook up and then we'll bring it with us.
Okay. You want some more, by the way?
I'm good right now. I got one on me.
Okay. Whoa, good job making them.
Take some of that.
You just got
One of that. We'll throw one in here. We'll throw one up top.
We are done with these chickens.
Yep, those chickens were nommed upon.
Here, have some more.
Yep, I got 2 pieces on me. 4 pieces.
I only got 2. Ooh, a wheat bone!
Well, I'll eat one now so I can start
I
healing.
got some wheat.
You got wheat? Oh, nice. Now we could definitely go hunt for animals like we wanted to.
Want it?
You can hold on to it. You'll be the keeper of the animal hay.
Come on, Steve! Take some of your wheat.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Oh, by the way, Steve, I found a cage over there.
Yeah, grab that sheep. Where are you at?
I'm down. Can you see me jumping? Look behind you.
Oh, there you are.
Can you
Yeah.
see that cave in the distance?
The cave in the distance. Yep, that one over there.
There's a dome in there?
Let's get the sheep first. Let's grab this guy that's over here to our left. Do you know left and right yet?
No.
No? If you look at your fingers, your left hand makes a capital L. If you do this, which one makes a capital L?
This one.
Nope, capital L.
This one.
See?
Let's go hunt it. Steve, we just tasted wheat.
Yep. Get the sheep with the wheat. Oh, I'll get the chicken with the.
I got some seeds here.
I got the seeds. You get the. You get the sheep. I'll get the chicken.
Seeds.
We'll bring them back home. Ooh, there's a black sheep over here. More chickens over here too.
It won't listen to me.
Do they take hay, right? Maybe you can't jump down.
Oh, they're coming.
Yep.
They keep coming.
All right, let's start taking them back to our house.
Come on.
Come on, Mr. Chicken.
They won't let me come. They're wandering away. Come on. I got you looking on your bottom.
Mr. Chicken.
I got giving him something.
Chicken's insubordinate little chicken.
You see,
Huh.
I almost got him.
All right. Okay, I think the chicken's following me again. He's forgetting how to walk. It's been raining a lot this whole episode. It's a very dreary episode.
Yeah.
What a way to start this series. Oh.
These are close. Like, kind of,
Getting that chicken all day long. Getting that chicken while I sing this song.
see, look,
Look at me, Mr. Chicken.
Yes.
I got a key here.
We have to get up on the thing.
Baby chicken following me, but the parents won't. They just abandon their child. Yes, go with the strange man with a sword. No, don't follow me. Brr.
Are you okay?
Chickens.
Then won't listen. Come on. Come on. Oh man, I just said him.
Uh-huh.
Oh, darn it. I gotta push him on some side.
What are you gonna do? Alright, I have an insubordinate chicken, and we know what we do with insubordinate chickens.
I got him up.
We put him to the sword.
See, look.
You got him?
Not yet, but can you help me?
Should I hit him with a sword?
No! I always had him.
Oh, you're trying to push him up?
I said on my beat, though.
So what, we're just gonna sit here and try to push him until he jumps up?
That hit him.
Give him a little smack, a little love tap. Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
We are not eating the sheep. Like, hey, look at what it got.
You're right. We didn't leave the sheep. You killed him instead.
Dang. Hey, see, I can go cooking. I cooking something so we eating a sheep.
We're eating sheep? Oh, dude, sheep do give you stuff now. What is it?
steak.
Cooked mutton. Steak? It does look more like a steak, you're right.
You want
Alright.
it? You want
It's
it?
dark out again. What happened?
No idea.
We fought so hard to get that one sheep, and nothing happened, and we didn't get him.
Do you want it or no?
No, you keep it, just in case you're hungry. Maybe we should go mining. You want to go mining for a bit?
Yeah.
Let's go find some stuff. Maybe we'll stumble onto diamonds.
Let's see, and guess what?
Hmm.
I can't put this stuff away. You know why? In my head, it seems I might die.
Yep,
I just want to put all this in my stomach.
that's a good idea. I'm gonna put the food away, the cobblestone. I'm only gonna bring some necessities. I want to make some candlesticks too because we can get too deep.
Do you make my own chest?
You want your own chest?
Yeah.
Do you remember how to make a chest?
Yeah. You just put all wood around.
Yep. So you can make your own chest.
Hey, see, go and press the sign the cave and then come back and bring me to it, okay?
Oh, that cave outside?
Huh?
Is that what you were talking about? Yeah, let's go into that. That's a good idea. The one that's across the river?
Yeah. Yeah, when I died, I drowned and then I just saw that in the last episode.
The last episode?
Yeah, and I did
The last episode that looked like this? You shook your head, yes, that's funny. The wonders of television. Alrighty then. I got some stone, and more stone. You know what we can make? Ah, I keep falling down here.
I got you some wood too.
What happened? What is this place? This strange place. I'm gonna head downstairs. We're gonna have to figure out how to make this place a little more. I'm getting lost. Yeah, that lava's gone. Last episode, the lava looked like this big, huge running river down to there. It was neat because you could see, I guess, stopping it.
I made it.
There you go. Yep, you made yourself a box. See, you're learning how to play the PC version already. Mining these mines all day long. Mining these mines as I sing this song. This is going to be dangerous if I don't fix this, so stick a block there, we'll stick a block there, we'll stick a block there. So it's a little bit of a bigger platform. I don't remember how to make steps either. I used to have a foolproof system.
I know how to make that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Big show off?
Huh?
Big show off?
I know how to make them. I really do. You want me to tell you how?
How do you make steps?
You have to get some wood or cobblestone. You just put them in a straight line. One cobblestone thingy on the bottom, and then you make the steps.
Oh yeah, like the real steps, yeah. I'm talking about these
Oh, you meant on the
lazy
step.
steps, you know, when you kind of just,
Oh, you meant that step.
yeah.
I don't know how to make them.
What is this stuff? Like, it looks like gravel, but it's not.
What is? Break it and then read it.
Diorite? What's diorite?
Ooh, I know what that is. I watched a Hunger Games map and got dynamite that stuff and the Hunger Games, and guess what? You use it to breed the animals.
The diorite?
Yeah,
You use it to breathe animals.
yeah. That could come in
Well.
handy.
I broke my pickaxe.
You want me to make you another one?
Yeah, if you're coming downstairs, might as well bring some extra ones with you. That was one thing I forgot to do. Still trying to make these steps areas. Is it daylight yet? Because I want to go check that place out. See, we got yourself here this nice little mining expedition. A little bit here, a little bit there. Someday we'll actually finish it. Well, you ready to go check that cave out?
Yep.
I'll meet you outside.
Yep.
Let's go.
One down there.
Oh, I see it. Thank you very much. Let's go.
I don't want to snack wood.
Be careful not to fall off the ledge there.
I know what happens in the gas time.
Is that a phaser in your pocket?
What?
Is that a phaser in your pocket?
I don't know. All you need to do is put the wood away, but
Alright then.
it's almost done.
Oh, it's dark, but who cares?
I guess I'm going myself go.
Well, I'm just gonna collect some seeds while I wait.
I'm done.
I hear something that was scary sounding.
Yeah, that creeped me out. I don't want to kill my... They're coming up. Oh, by the way, last time when I was there, I saw coal and iron and I saw some coal and some iron. Ooh, I found the egg.
Yep. No, birdie. It's following you.
Hello, chicken.
Oh, there's a baby. We don't kill babies. Oh, the horror, the horror.
Hey, go
What is that? Is that wall?
Ow. Come on.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go check out your... Try to find some seeds while I
I
come
found
through
a
here.
chicken swimming.
Hey, it's chicken. I'm gonna bring him with me. Follow me, Mr. Chicken.
I'm not following you.
Alright, let's start lighting up the cavern as we go in.
That when I died, that was that.
Oh, look at this. I found some water. A river of water.
What?
Inside the cave. There's some coal.
Mine it. Mine out.
I'm gonna go in deep.
Hey, give me a pickaxe. I want to mine it.
You didn't bring yourself one?
No.
Cool.
I can go back. Oh,
You gonna leave me here all alone? Look at all that iron I just found.
how will you get that? And I will be back and I will bring you some stuff, okay?
Alrighty then.
I can make a stone. I can make a stone set for you. A stone weapon set.
A stone weapon set.
Yeah.
That's how rich we are in this game. We got stone.
Weapons.
Some stone weapon set.
I see a creeper.
Where at? Not by me, is he?
No, it's by me.
That'd be scary if he was by me. I got myself some iron. I got myself some iron.
I can't find myself back home.
Just look for the lights. Listen for the chickens. That's how you get home.
Oh,
What was that?
I'm mad.
That scared me. Out of nowhere. I feel like I should always be checking my shoulder.
I wish I had a map.
Oh yeah. Oh, trying to hide on me, Mr. Iron. That's my piece. Yo, we're making out like bandits with iron. This episode was supposed to be about hunting animals, and we're more like hunting iron.
I really need you, Steven.
What is that?
I can't find my way home.
Uh-oh. Let me grab this bit of iron and then we'll go look for Gage. Looks like I went around in a circle, so at least that's what we know about this cavern. That's a big circle. There's the lake. No, that's a pond. Wait, there's a sheep. There's another sheep. There's another sheep. We got all sorts of sheep around here. There's chickens. Oh, I think we might be to the left of this area. Home might be to the left. And now to the right of me.
This is where I'm going.
If I look at the gauge screen, I have no idea where you are. You have gone to a very far place. I found home.
Well, yeah, you did. Yeah, you know where home is. I found an egg with it.
That's why I think we need to clear these trees out.
I wish we could get wings from.
Hey, hey, there's hay. Hey, hey, get it? I made another funny. Wait. Why did I put that on top of there? That does not help.
I really need to find you.
Did it not give me anything?
I found some squids.
No, I know I did give you wheat.
Did I kill these guys?
What, the squids?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? Kill the squids. Get the ink. There's the chicken. Oh, there's sugarcane over here.
Sugarcane.
What does sugarcane do?
You can make
I remember paper. You can make paper out of sugarcane.
and you can make sugar.
Some sugar out of sugarcane?
Yeah.
But you have to put it on sand, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to collect some of the sand.
I got soy insects.
Got some sand.
Here. Maybe if I found a mob, maybe they'll just kill me and I could be gone where you are.
That's always a way to get home. To just die, yeah.
I just want to try to stand in the mountain and dive in and jump off. Oh, I got some seeds.
Good.
But
Yeah, but if you die, we can't get the seeds back home.
I gotta just try to find my way back home. I needed a mountain, but I'm gonna die. Yeah, my hunger was.
You're gonna die?
I just want to show them. Whoa, look at these. Look at I got two. I got some.
What'd you get? You got more chicken?
I got two seeds, I meant.
I got 5, and we're gonna give it to that chicken and that chicken. You guys have a fun time. We'll give it to this chicken. Nope, that chicken doesn't want it. Makes me think, why do I have this one little fence here? Oh, those.
I'm trying to show myself.
Don't move and they won't come out.
Yay!
Oh, Gage fell from a high place.
Oh, I'm home!
At least you're home.
Ow.
Let's get it on. Hey. So do you remember where you might have been?
Yeah. I just want to try to make them armor.
Alright, I got some hay, so I'm going to try to get some sheep. Oh, I'm going to plant the sugarcane I collected also. How did you get out?
Huh?
So, this is always the hard part, getting them inside. But I think I found out. Haha! Haha! It worked. See, if you just trick them, and then you push them inside, it works.
I got another furnace.
Oh, there's just earned the achievement Hot Topic. What's that achievement? Who knows? Who cares? Let's move on to putting some sand down. Sand it, sand it, sand it, sand it, and sand it. And that seems so much sand. What the heck? Oh, it fell. Sand? I forgot sand moves.
Hey, look how many spinners I got. Do you have any iron?
I have some at home in the box, and I do have some on me.
Can we melt it to get iron armor?
I don't have that much.
I know. Is that worth a try?
What is up with this tree? Take it down.
Steven, if you had enough to make a boot, I was going to make some for you, okay?
Make some boots.
Yeah. You had one more piece of iron.
Are boots important?
Yeah. So you.
I don't know if it'll go so well with my dress. Because remember, I am a girl.
Give me the iron, please. I just want to try to help you out.
I'm gonna go smelt it.
Yeah, I already know.
Go smelt that armor. Or smelt that iron.
Yeah, good job with the iron.
Yeah, it's actually a lot of iron. I didn't know I had that much on me. 24 pieces is a good haul. What's that sound?
You.
I don't like it when it makes weird sounds. Scares me.
I need some iron.
Yeah, look at all the achievements you've been racking up.
Oh.
Yo. Achievements? They don't have them in the Xbox version?
No.
Oh, they're little rewards. You know, a little reward system you kind of get. Like saying, good job, you did something.
See, that's what I made. Look, I'm a queen.
Oh, you got some boots.
You want them?
Boots and pants and boots and
You
pants.
earned them, Steven.
I earned them.
Yeah. They're playing.
I bestow upon you.
You know why you earned them?
Why did I earn them?
Yeah, you helping me get some boots.
Oh yeah, I got one piece on me, one piece of wheat. Oh, look at these boots, Starlin.
Good job. I'm gonna make some more boots.
More boots.
Hey, Steven, I'm gonna try to make you a whole set of armor, okay?
A whole set of armor.
Yeah.
That's so. You know what that sound means, buddy?
Yeah.
That means we gotta start wrapping up the show. So we gotta finish one more thing
Yeah.
and say goodbye to everybody.
Okay.
So we only have 45 minutes to videotape. We actually use videotape, yeah. That's how old it is. We actually use EasyVid to capture all our video. If anybody knows how to get the Surface Pro 3 to use the front-facing camera instead of the forward-facing camera, so you can see my face and gauges at the same time, leave a response in the comment section. It'll help us out. Let's feed these guys first. We'll make some more chickens, and next time we play, we should have a little more chicken to harvest. And it's kind of scary, but kind of heartbreaking. That's what I think, actually. We'll get this piece of wheat.
I need some boots.
Gage made another pair of boots, so we're like the Boot Brothers now. Mario and Luigi ain't got nothing on us. Got more wheat. No, you could just smelt the rest of it. Put it in the oven and let it go. But, yep, we're going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching the show. We'll be back next week where we actually try to, again, get the piggies, cows, animals that we want to add to our farm.
And try to die tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Chicken!
What the heck? There's a chicken inside. He's suffocated in the wall. What a way to wrap up the show. But if you enjoyed, subscribed. It's our first show ever. I know it's a little less quality than the ones you probably see. But you got to start somewhere, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.